Welcome to CBSplit screencasts. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use StickyIO Postback Connector module. Step 1. Go to the Generic Options tab. Scroll down. You'll find a section called Augmented Payment Links. Step 2. Add your checkout domain. Here's where the magic happens. Click the +Add URL button. Now type in your checkout domain like secure.mydomain.com. This tells CBSplit to automatically inject tracking parameters into any link that points to this domain. Step 3. Let CBSplit handle the parameters. Once your domain is saved, CBSplit will take care of everything. It will automatically append to your checkout URL, so no manual setup is needed. Step 4. Add custom fields to your StickyIO account. Go to your StickyIO admin panel. Locate custom fields under Settings menu, then add custom fields original_user_ID, CBS_page_ID, and CBS_page_version. CBSplit will automatically append tracking parameters to your checkout URL. Step 5. Configure Postback in StickyIO. Locate Postback section from Settings menu and add new Postback URL. URL will be like https://your-domain.com/api/limelight/in/1. Append the query string parameters like shown in screencast. This step is essential to let CBSplit correlate the visitor session with actual order data. CBSplit will retain these values through the funnel, giving you even deeper tracking power. Thanks for watching. And remember, use CBSplit to make every click count.